The Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-1 was the beginning of one of the most famous fighter families in aviation history. Long before the MiG-15, MiG-21, or MiG-29 dominated the skies, everything started with this early Soviet high-altitude interceptor. Born on the eve of World War II, the MiG-1 was designed to be fast, aggressive, and optimized for one thing: catching enemy bombers at extreme altitudes. From the outside, the MiG-1 had a sleek, narrow fuselage and a pointed nose that housed the powerful Mikoyan M35A engine. Its long wingspan and thin, elegant wing design were meant to reduce drag and give it the speed it needed to outrun most fighters of its time. In level flight, the MiG-1 could exceed 620 km per hour, placing it among the fastest Soviet aircraft of the early war. Inside the cockpit, however, things were less comfortable. Visibility was limited, the cockpit was tight, and many pilots complained that controls were heavy during takeoff and landing. But once in the air, the MiG-1 transformed into a sharp, responsive interceptor. It was built for altitude, not low-level dogfights. Pilots flying the MiG-1 often said that the higher they climbed, the better the aircraft performed. The armament was modest but effective for its intended role. A single 12.7mm machine gun and two 7.62mm guns allowed it to damage early enemy bombers, though it lacked the punch of later fighters. Still, the combination of high speed and decent firepower made the MiG-1 dangerous in the right hands. But the aircraft was not without problems. Stability at low altitude was poor. The long nose caused forward weight issues. And landing required precision because the aircraft tended to drop suddenly at low speeds. These difficulties led engineers to begin an updated version almost immediately of the MiG-3,